Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and this is the fourth quarter, the fourth episode, my last chance to make you the MVP of your Super Bowl party. Let's recap what we've done. Quarter 1, spinach and artichoke bagel bites. Quarter 2, bacon cheeseburger empanadas. Quarter 3, we went in with the loaded baked potato skins. That was a hit. And now it's quarter 4. I gotta pull out all the stops. Gotta get a touchdown on this drive. So what am I gonna do? I'm bringing out the ultimate, the best, the most delicious finger food there is. Atomic Buffalo Turds. Yeah! Hey, I didn't name them Atomic Buffalo Turds. You can call them Atomic Buffalo Bombs. I don't care. I'm just calling them what they're called. Atomic Buffalo Turds. You make them with fresh jalapenos, but you can make a sweet version by using the sweeties. I'm gonna do both. Here's what you need. Smoked paprika. In the real recipe, you smoke these for 2 or 3 hours. I don't have time for that. I'm gonna put some smoked paprika in there. Some garlic powder and onion powder. Remember that bacon? We're gonna cook some more. You need to have jalapenos. Get the big ones. Throw in some color with the sweeties. You need cream cheese. You need little smokies. And Colby Monterey Jack cheese. Before I get started, if you've been enjoying my videos, go ahead and subscribe. And then push the little bell. That way you get notifications when my new videos come out. Let's get started! First thing you want to do is get the cream cheese up to room temperature. Cut some bacon in half. Probably gonna need about 8 slices. Let's start off by cutting the peppers in half. Take that stem off. Cut them in half. And just get all the seeds out of it. So it looks like that. So I'm not going to make a whole bunch of these, but you make as many as you need. Now I know I'm not working with ghost peppers or all those super hot peppers, but I'm the guy that after I clean out a jalapeno, always have to rub my eye. That burns. It hurts. So I'm going to put gloves on like a wuss. Because the minute I can't scratch my eye, you know I'm going to have the biggest itches in the world. So do the same thing. Cut the stem off. And get those little demon seeds out of there. Some people like it super hot. That's cool, I don't judge you. I like to taste my food. Jalapeno's hot enough for me. Now, if your team's in the Super Bowl and you have a friend coming over who likes the other team and you hate that team, go ahead and make a couple of them with seeds in there. Save them for him. Yeah, that'll be fun to watch. Go ahead and do it again to the next one. And there's what we're going to start with. Some green and red. And just like I thought, my eye itches. But I don't feel the burn. Not yet anyways. Well, you ready to put them together? Let's get started. Come here. All right, first, I'm using half of the cream cheese. Add a little onion powder to it. Probably about a teaspoon. Same with the garlic powder. Hit it with some smoked paprika. Now I'm gonna hit it with some Colby Jack. Recipe says a cup. We're going half a cup since I'm only using half the amount. Yeah, that looks like half a cup. Now let's mix it up. Now grab you a pepper. Put some of that cream cheese mixture on it. Hit it with one of them little smokies. And then we're gonna wrap it in bacon. And that's one. All right, we got the turds wrapped and ready to cook. Let's put them into the air crisp basket. And there we go. Air crisp, 360, 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes and the timer's gone off. Let me take a look. Getting close, very close. I'm gonna hit it for 5 more minutes. All right, the timer's gone off. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, those look good. The bigger ones, it seems the bacon pulled from the top there. Probably should have wrapped the bacon over the top of it instead of putting the seams over it. Small ones came out perfect. Check it out. All right, see what I'm talking about? The little ones came out absolutely perfect because the bacon was able to wrap all the way around it. The big ones, well, that's a penalty right there. So use a bigger piece of bacon when you're wrapping it up, but I bet it's still delicious. So there they are, the Atomic Buffalo Turds. Messy edition, tidy edition. Let's give them a try. All right, let's start off with the sweet one. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. That is delicious. Mmm. Get the crunch and the saltiness from the bacon, the cream cheese and the regular cheese. A little smoky in there. That is the ultimate Super Bowl party finger food. I mean, that is delicious. All right, let's go for a spicy one. Whew. Mmm. That's equally as good, but hotter. Those jalapenos are hot. That has an amazing flavor. All right, let's tie it all together. And we did it. We became the MVP of our Super Bowl party. Look at all this food we made. Look how delicious this all looks. The Atomic Buffalo Turds, the loaded potato skins, the spinach and artichoke bagel bites, and don't forget those cheeseburger empanadas. Throwing in a little ketchup and mustard to dip those into, little ranch and sour cream for these guys, and don't forget the carrots. Gotta throw some veggies in there somewhere, right? Chips and salsa and sangria. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Push the little red button down the side. All right, let's go ahead and try everything again. Empanada. Little mustard, little ketchup. Mmm. That definitely is a touchdown. All right, let's try that spinach artichoke bagel bite. Mmm. If that doesn't have them cheering MVP, nothing will. Mmm. Time for a little Atomic Buffalo Turd. Here goes nothing. Woo! That's hot. Mmm. So tasty though. And last but not least, look at this guy. Loaded baked potato skin. Got the melted cheese in there, bacon, avocado, sour cream, a little bit of green onion, tomato. I don't even want to dip it in a sauce. I don't think it needs it. Mmm. Like I said earlier, that's better than Bennigan's. Look, Ma, I'm eating my vegetables. Of course, it's smothered in ranch, but at least I'm eating them, right? Now you will be the MVP of your Super Bowl party. Well, I got one question for you. Are you hungry? I know me and my wife and son are, so let's eat. MVP. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am the champion, my friends. Yeah.
Okay.
We're good. Turn it up. Yeah. Thank you. No. Thank you. No. Thank you. Don't touch it. I don't know why you want to turn that off. Is the perfect Super Bowl party appetizer. It's not like a gunshot. Up to room temperature. Yeah.